Okay, so we'll be solving proportions today. This is my paper slideshow showing you how to do it using two methods, the diamond method and an algebraic approach. So we have the proportion of 3x over 2 equals 12 over 4. The first method I'm going to show you is the diamond method. So to do the diamond method, you take the numerator of the first fraction, times it by the denominator of the second, take the numerator of the second, times it by the denominator of the first. That's what gives you that little diamond. So 3x is going to go to the 4 and the 12 is going to go to the 2. That's going to leave us with where we're going to be multiplying. So we're going to have 3x times 4 is 12x, and then 12 times 2 is 24. So 12x equals 24 is our equation. So now we have to solve our equation. 12x equals 24. I'm going to divide both sides of this thing by 12. 24 divided by 12 gives me 2. So the answer to this for proportion is 2. Next, we have another way of doing it. We can do it algebraically. So I have the same proportion, 3x over 2 equals 12 over 4. But I'm going to convert everything to just like a real number. So 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I have the equation of 1.5x equals 3. So in order to solve that, I'm going to divide both sides of this equation by 1.5, and I get 2, the same thing that we had before. So, in summary, you have two different methods you can do. You can do the cross products. The diamond method, which is just another way of doing cross products, or you can do the algebraic approach. But that will oftentimes give you decimals, and you're going to need a calculator more often than not to do it that way. So if you don't have a calculator, I would suggest just doing it the diamond method. Okay, so your assessment question. What I've done is I wouldn't be a Mr. Fry lesson if we didn't have our cat. Here's our cat from our test problem. We want to figure out how big that cat is. So I already did the measurements for you. And what I did is I measured the police car. A real police car is 18 feet. The police car in our image here is about an inch long. I'm trying to make the math easier for you. So I have 18 feet to 1 inch. The cat in the picture, when I measured it, from his foot to his ear is about 2.5 inches. So that's the proportion. So I'm asking you, how tall is the cat? I'm going to answer for it to you anyway, just so you can check. You can pause the video here and verify it, but two methods you can do. You can do the diamond method. 18 times 2.5 is 45. X times 1 is X, so 45 would be your answer. If you did it algebraically, you would have 18 divided by 1, which is just 18, but 1, remember there's always a 1 in front of your coefficient of x, so nothing's there. 1 divided by 2.5 is 0.4. So I have 18 divided by 0.4, and I get 45. So the cat is 45 feet tall. And there you have it.